Morning students. So today's our next topic is RDBMS, means Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System, that is called relational database, can be defined as a collection of data items organized in the form of a set of formally described tables. This is the data which is created, which is used, or which is set, or which is organized in the certain kind of tables. So students, relation databases are powerful because they are require few assumptions about how data is related or how it will be extracted from the database. Relational database जो है वो powerful होता है because it is used to create relationships of very few things, and we can extract it from the database very easily. As a result, the same database can be viewed in many different ways. So as a result, we can view the same kind of data in a very different ways. Students, for example, we can take the example of telephone dictionary. In telephone dictionary, there are two tables, one table in which rows and columns are involved. There are two columns. One column is of name and second column is of telephones. So students, we can also add certain kind of columns like address and email addresses. So students, database objects include tables, indexes, queries, forms and reports. First of all, tables. Students, all we know that the tables are arranged in some columns and rows. So data in the table is a logically related and relationships can be defined between the tables. डाटा जो टेबल्स में होता है वो लॉजिकली जो होता है रिलेटेड होता है, मीन्स एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होता है, और उसमें क्या होता है, रिलेशनशिप जो है वो टेबल्स में डिफाइंड होता है. इंडेक्सेस. Students, like the indexes, you are create index in the front page of your notebook, then start the notebooks. So in the index, you usually write the page number of your topic, date, and what is the topic, means topic name. Same as the here index access the data within the table in an order that might not be available. Next, query. Students, query means we extract information from a database. We use query. For example, we use query to get our statements of bank account. Whenever we want to know about our bank account, we just ask them for the query, okay, of our statement. Next, form. Students, we usually fill form by our hands, such as account opening form of bank, job application, to get reservation for traveling by train, etc. Students, whenever we go to bank, we just fill the form for any task related to our account. So these are that kind of forms. Next, students, we have report. Reports are printable summaries of the information in your access टेबल एंड क्वेरीज. रिपोर्ट्स क्या होती है, हमने जो भी क्वेरी पूछी होती है, जो भी हमने इंफॉर्मेशन टेबल से एक्सेस की होती है, उसकी क्या होती है कि प्रिंटेबल समरी होती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड अबाउट द रिपोर्ट. Next, students, we have MS Access. MS Office or Microsoft Office Access is a database management system. This is an database management system. So it can be used to build software applications. So students, we use MS Access to build the software applications. It is an organized collection of record. Microsoft Access is an interesting and popular relational database management system. It is used to organize the collection of records. So it is a very interesting management system. Students, here we have some kind of steps that how we can open MS Access. So firstly, we have to click on start button, and here we have an arrow in the lower left corner of the screen. After that, after the clicking on arrow, we have scroll the applications. After that, we find the MS Access and we have to click on MS Access. So MS Access will be open. Next, students, how we can create Access database. Students, there are three ways to create and access database. First of all, a blank database. Second, by using templates. Third, by downloading a template from MS Offline Office. Next, students, creating a blank database. Now explanation of three ways how we can create and access database. Students, in blank database, firstly we, after open Microsoft Office access page, firstly we have to click on blank database. After that we have to type the name of our file in file name box. After typing the name, we have to click on create button. Access will create a blank database, and empty table will also open default to enter the data. After that, students, templates. Templates are ready-made database, contains table, queries, forms and reports. टेम्पलेट्स हमारे पास क्या होता है, रेडीमेड डाटाबेस होता है जिसमें हमें टेबल ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट हुआ मिलता है और उसमें क्वेरीज, फॉर्म्स, रिपोर्ट्स, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली पहले से ही क्रिएट हुई होती हैं, हमें कुछ भी क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ टेम्पलेट्स आर अवेलेबल एंड डिस्प्लेड on getting started with Microsoft Access page. Firstly, we have to click on office.com templates and click on education. After that, students, click on template or our choice. There are number of templates, but according to our need we can choose any one template. After that, we have to specify the name of chosen database in the file name. After that, students, we have to click on download button. Thank you.